Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1980 Chevy Corvette. Oh, 1980, that's definitely a long time ago. Definitely the right time to own a Corvette too. Featuring a black exterior with the spoke wheels. Going as to see inside now, we have a white combination. Of course, a black and white car is always the right way to do it. You may also see the fact that it does have T-tops. So if you ever want to have that nice breeze going in your face, now's the time to do it. You got all your stock gauges there, even your gauges in the console there. Have the Delco 2-knob radio with AM and FM. Automatic on the floor, as I said before. It's a nice little car, especially when it comes to making turns. Power steering, doesn't wind. Has a little, actually when you hear about it, you can actually hear it has a little hydraulic cam coming from the back, so adds a little bit of sound, a little bit of power, and more fun to it. Underneath the hood, you got a 350 V8 motor, sounding healthy as it should be. In fact, right now we're coming up to a stop, so it's a perfect time to test the brakes. Yeah, a little pulley there to the right, but you know, you break these cars in, they'll drive just like a new car. And to our opinion now, an older car will always last longer than a new car. But as for now though, we're just gonna get it turned around and up on the lift, so stay tuned to see the underneath.